Dear aspirant, welcome to essay series of insurance exam. We have already taken 5 model essays on pros and cons of 74% FDIs in insurance sector, role of insurance in the economic development of India, role of banks in the growth of insurance sector, that is bank assurance, insurance penetration in India, and insurance to all. Friend, in today's lecture, we will take another model essay on mis-selling of insurance products and measures how to prevent it. Friend, before we switch to it, let me tell you, Bankwiz is the only platform in India to be specialized for descriptive English paper preparation for all regulatory body exams and IBPS, SBI, IB, NPS Trust and the other exams. You will get model essays, letters, précis and reading comprehension in bulk for practice under proper guidance of our experts. The descriptive online mocks with a 360-degree evaluation by our experts are our uniqueness. For more information, please visit www.bankwiz.com. Anyways, friend, let's learn how you should deal with the essay mis-selling of insurance products and measures to prevent it. After listening to the lecture, please try to frame it into an ideal essay on it. Friend, the following points are to be elaborated on and your highly marks-fetching essay will be ready. The first one is, what is mis-selling of insurance policies? How does mis-selling take place? Who is the most vulnerable to mis-selling? What are the measures to prevent mis-selling of insurance policies? Okay, friend, these are all the points to be properly elaborated on. Please take down how you should start the essay, as writing the starting lines for the essay seems difficult to many of you. You can start it as mis-selling of insurance products means selling the insurance products either by giving partial information or wrong information about the products. According to IRDAI, 25% complaints were reported in the financial year 2019 and 20. Mis-selling of insurance products takes place mainly on behalf of the intermediaries who do not fully explain the policy details to the customers, and the buyers are in a hurry and do not bother about going through minute details of the policies to be taken. And sometimes the agents deliberately misguide the policyholders, and the senior citizens are the most vulnerable targets. Okay, after introducing the essay topic, now you should mention about the measures to prevent mis-selling of insurance products. You can mention the IRDAI guidelines for the purpose, such as every insurance company must prepare a standardized script for the solicitation or sale of any policy through the internet, email, snail mail, newspaper inserts, SMS and telephone. The script must be simple in language so that the policyholder can understand it easily. All kinds of telephonic conversations must be recorded for further reference to resolve any dispute regarding the policy. The guidelines strictly tell the agents to be fair and square to talk about the policy to be sold. Okay? The aggrieved customer can lodge complaints to IRDA in case the insurer does not resolve the grievances. Well, friend, having mentioned all this, now you can conclude it in your words. In this way, your essay is ready. Now try to write on it in full, maintaining the ideal format of the essay. All the best and take care. Thank you.